Hey guys, what's happening? If you want to delete Facebook account on iOS or Android, here's what you're gonna do. So open your Facebook app or open your Facebook website and click the three bars at the top left or click your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay, and you're gonna see the same settings. Now what you're gonna do, if you have the app, click the settings gear at the top right, but if you have the website, just go ahead and click the settings and privacy and you're gonna see settings. Go ahead and click. And of course, you're gonna see the same thing, account center or meta. Go ahead and press it. And you'll be like in another page called in another meta page. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see your personal details, right? And under the contact info and birthday, you're gonna see account ownership control. Click it, and then select the second option, deactivation or deletion, and select your account if you have more than one account in Meta. And I'm gonna delete account and hit continue. If you know that you are deleting all your credentials and everything, just proceed and add the reason why. Hit continue. Hit continue. And then what you're gonna do, scroll a little bit down. If you want to archive or save some of the necessary information or private information, you can just go ahead and download the info so you can basically save all of your information on your iPhone before you delete it. So hit continue and add the password of your Facebook and confirm that you want to delete it, and basically that's it. Let's turn on the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.